Hey guys, I'm Julian with 2Pro Beats and welcome to my studio live. Today I want to show you how you can make your vocals more consistent. Let me play you the session. The vocals are unprocessed. I have just a high pass to reduce the rumble. Artist is Topher. The track is called Monster. Here we go.
Look, somebody call it hearse. It's about to get worse. I'm done concealing my truth, feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to put them in the dirt. Skirt, all about the chain like a mama purse. Going in bottoms up, that means they're coming at you head first. Long as I'm around, you'll never win a title. I'm the real equivalent to see a Lil Beast curse.
So in order for a rap track to sound good, the vocals need to be upfront. You have to understand every single word that the artist is saying. The first technique that you can use, event gain. Basically, event gain is splitting the vocals and small events and adjusting the gain. Chopping every single word or even individual syllables from the word. After you have split the vocals in events based on words and syllables, adjust the gain so that everything is consistent. You can do this by using the mouse, or you can do it like me using shortcuts. The plus and the minus is gain up, gain down by 1 dB. From this point, you have to listen for words that you cannot hear or you cannot understand the lyrics and increase the gain just a touch.
Look, somebody call it hearse. It's about to get worse. I'm done concealing my truth, feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to put them in the dirt. Skirt, all about the chain like a mama purse. Going in bottoms up, that means they're coming at you head first. Long as I'm around, you'll never win a title. I'm the real equivalent to see a Lil Beast curse.
I've increased the words that seemed too quiet and I've decreased the gain on some words that seemed too loud. Another method is to use vocal rider, and I will show you how I like to use before processing. Add the vocal rider on the event, so it's not used as an insert, it's used as an effect on the event. Start with a preset. I'm gonna go with loud vocal.
Look, somebody call it hearse. It's about to get worse. I'm done concealing my truth, feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to.
I'm setting the target. Target is the level I want the vocals to be most of the time.
Look, somebody call it hearse. It's about to get worse. I'm done concealing my truth, feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to put them in the dirt. Skirt, all about the chain like a mama purse. Going in bottoms up, that means they're coming at you head first. Long as I'm around, you'll never win a title. I'm the real equivalent to see a Lil Beast curse. Look, somebody call it hearse. It's about to get worse. I'm done concealing my truth, feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to put them in the dirt. Skirt, all about the chain like a mama purse. Going in bottoms up, that means they're coming at you head first. Long as I'm around, you'll never win a title. I'm the real equivalent to see a Lil Beast curse.
With the vocal rider, I'm smoothing even more the waveform, the level, so every single word will seem at the same level, at the same volume. After setting the vocal rider, I just render the event. Look very close at the waveform. You will see that the gain of individual words change. So now we have a more consistent vocal.
Look, somebody call it hearse. It's about to get worse. I'm done concealing my truth, feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to put them in the dirt. Skirt, all about the chain like a mama purse. Going in bottoms up, that means they're coming at you head first. Long as I'm around, you'll never win a title. I'm the real equivalent to see a Lil Beast curse. Look.
So why is this very important? First of all, you will get a more natural sounding vocal. Usually rap vocals are very compressed. If the dynamic range of the vocals is very high, the compressor will work very hard to keep everything in check. If you do this, if you're using event gain, if you're using vocal rider, then you are gonna smooth out the vocals before hitting the compressor.
My truth feeling low with it. I don't wanna have to put them in the dirt. Skirt, all about the chain like a mama.
You can see that I can achieve constant gain reduction. The compressor is not reacting too much on certain words, so this is why this is a very cool trick to use to achieve in-your-face vocals. They will sound more natural, so by using event gain and vocal rider from Waves, you can achieve that upfront and in-your-face vocals. This is what I use when I feel that I need some control over the vocals. I know it's time consuming, but in the end it's worth it because the vocals will sound more natural. They will have the same energy on every single word. It will be much easier to process, it will be much easier to compress, it will be much easier to automate after. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Join our Facebook group called Mix Talk. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, it means a lot to me. See you guys next time.